Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. The case that I'll be discussing in this video is R versus Secretary of State for the Home Department, ex parte Sims, which is popularly known as the Sims case. This is a significant legal case decided by the UK House of Lords in 1999. The case involved a challenge to the policy of the Secretary of State for the Home Department regarding the recording of prison conversations. In this case, Raymond Sims was a prisoner in a high security prison in the United Kingdom. The Secretary of State for the Home Department had implemented a policy allowing prison authorities to record and monitor conversations between prisoners and their legal advisors. Sims argued that this policy violated his right to confidential legal advice and representation. The central issue in the case was whether the policy of recording and monitoring prison conversations violated the prisoner's right to legal professional privilege, a fundamental principle of the common law. The House of Lords unanimously ruled in favour of Sims, holding that the policy violated his right to legal professional privilege. The court emphasised the importance of maintaining confidentiality between clients and their legal advisors, particularly in the context of prisoners seeking legal advice. It recognised the policy interfered with the prisoner's ability to have frank and confidential discussions with their lawyers, undermining the integrity of the legal process. The Sims case reaffirmed the fundamental principle of legal professional privilege and emphasized its importance in ensuring the fairness and effectiveness of the justice system. The ruling had a significant impact on the rights of the prisoners and the limits placed on the state's power to intrude upon privileged communications. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comment section. Thank you.